Multi-layer meals are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what your Ninja DoubleStack air fryer can do. In this video, we're going to use Smart Finish and Match Cook, two versatile features that come with every unit. The Match Cook feature syncs settings across zones for full 10 quart capacity. This is great for big family meals or even meal prepping. Let's try it out with two kinds of chicken wings, garlic parmesan and teriyaki. First, I'll place my garlic parmesan wings in the top basket and my teriyaki wings in the bottom basket. After powering on the unit, press Zone 1 to program the top basket. Select the air fry function by turning the dial. Set the temperature to 390 degrees by pressing the temp button and turning the dial. Set the cook time to 55 minutes by pressing the time button and turning the dial. Press Match Cook to synchronize Zone 2 settings with Zone 1's. Press Start Pause to begin cooking. Once you hear the beep, both wings will be ready to enjoy. The Smart Finish feature is also a game changer. It lets you cook two foods two ways and have them finish at the same time, eliminating back-to-back cooking. Let's see how it works with a chicken and broccoli meal. First, place 2 chicken breasts, about 1 pound each, in Zone 1, and 2 pounds of broccoli in Zone 2. After powering on the unit, press Zone 1 to program the top basket. Set Zone 1 to air fry at 390 degrees for 35 minutes. Then, set Zone 2 to roast at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Press the Smart Finish button, then Start Pause. The zone with the shorter cooking time will display Hold until it's time to start cooking. Even with different temperatures and cook times, both baskets will finish together, so everything is hot and ready at once. For more tips and tasty recipes, check out the inspiration guide that comes with your air fryer or visit us at ninjakitchen.com. And don't forget to check out our other videos on getting started and double stack meal making.